Start with the black side up, stab the armpit, cut through the belly, cut around the collarbone and through the neck. Flip it, cut around the collarbone, through the neck, and take the collarbone completely off. Easy. Adjust your camera real quick. This is a lot harder than it looks with the camera in front of my face. Cut down the back. Make sure you don't cut through the feather bones like I almost did. Right here. Make sure your knife's touching the spine. Cut it all the way down to the tail. Expose the spine. Cut over the spine. Release the tail. And then finish off the belly. And that's one side. Trim off the skirts. Don't worry about that red bit. Just follow the natural line of the fish. Make sure you don't have a bunch of debris on there like I did. Now to cut out your pin bones, just start on your thick side, cut down to the skin, and then cut down the other side. Trim and square off your belly, make sure there's no parasites in there. And that's one side. Flip your fish. Make sure you line up with the side of the table. Score the tail, cut all the way down the back, make sure it's flat. Touch the spine, cut all the way down the back, make sure it's flat. Break your pin bones and rib cage. Cut on top of the spine, cut down the tail once, twice, 3 times, maybe 4, and release the belly. Use the carcass to help you flip the fish, and that's 2 sides. If you get bone stuck here, just separate it like that. Sometimes you get caught, whatever, trim it off. Simple. Same thing on this side. You're gonna get those caught, just trim it. I had the phone in front of my face and I couldn't really see what I was doing. Off. Same thing. Cut the pin bones out. Start thick side, other side. Sometimes it gets caught, whatever. Trim your belly, square it off, all the way down the first parasite, and that's the second side. Simple, right? Now what you want to do is get all the debris off your table. All I had near me was hot water, so I didn't spray it. And now we're going to skin. Make sure you have no debris left on your skin at all. First one I'm going to show you is fletch. Split it into loins. You want to make sure there's absolutely no debris left on your table. Cut down to the skin on the tail. Be a lot more gentle with it than I was. I'm rougher with it because I know what I'm doing. Get a little bit of skin off of there. Now time for the belly piece. This side is the exact same thing. It just comes off a little bit easier sometimes. Some of the bloodline was taken off with it. That's whatever. Get a little bit of skirt off, admire your work, and move on. Now, if anybody tells you you can't skin halibut as a whole side, they're lying to you. Not difficult. Just gotta be a little bit more careful with it because there's a little bit more resistance against the knife. Trimmed a little bits of skin off of there. Some of that white membrane on there is not skin. It's kind of hard to tell. And it's pretty simple. Don't cut flounder this way. You will not have a good time. Watch all my videos.